So children, here we will discuss about that the problems from worksheet 2. Okay, worksheet 2 problems. So what is that first question here? Match the following. Again we have that group A and group B problems. So see here, name of the geometrical figure. Okay, here they given that names of the geometrical figures, and here how many points. Already we learned this one, right? So each figure is having how many end points. Okay, let us see that. Here line is there. So line means here we have to consider that one as a straight line. Okay, straight line or line. So a line is having how many end points? Already we discussed that. So a line is having how many end points? That is not having an ending point. Okay, then how we can calculate that? How many end points? So here line is having no end points. Okay, next one, line segment. Okay, line segment means that is having how many end points? Yes, that is 2 end points. Okay, next come to that ray. Ray is having how many end points? That is having only one end point, that is a fixed point or initial point. Okay, or starting point. Already we know that, right? So ray is having how many points? So ray is having only one end point. Okay, next, collinear points. How many collinear points are there? In minimally we have that 3 points. Okay, just this is one of the line. Here I am taking that A, B, C, D. Okay, 3 points, 2 points there means we can't say that those two are collinear. Why? Because what is the definition for collinear points? 3 or more points lies on the same line, right? So here we can take that 3 points or more than 3 points also. So collinear points means 3 or more points. Okay, which option is correct here? So which option? Line that is having how many? 3. So A is 3. So we have to observe that these two options. Okay, first option is A related to 3, but we have here 2 options. So leave the remaining 2. Okay, next one, line segment is having how many points? 2 points. So option 1. So that is also having, we have here 2 options. So we need to consider that next one. So see ray. Ray is having how many end points? Just now we discussed, now that is 1. So C is 4. This option. Okay, here C is 3 they given. Sorry, here C is 2 they given. 2 means the option is 3 or more. Okay, no? So that's why here option 2. So D is 2 collinear points, and here 3 or more collinear points. Is it clear? So which option is correct? Option 2 is correct. So children, see here. Here we have to count that number of line segments. Okay, here some figures given, no? So by observing these figures, we can say how we can calculate that number of line segments. Okay, just see that. So here the first figure, observe that the first figure here. Here this figure is having how many line segments? Okay, so just see that 1, 2, 3. So this figure is having that 3 vertices. No, just leave that D. Why? Because B, D, C. In previous already we discussed. No, what is that here? Here 3 points also lies on that same line. Then we will call that one as collinear points. Those points are collinear points. But we have to consider here this total one as only one line segment. If that line segment is having 3 points, then also we will take that how many line segments are there means we will consider it as only one line segment. That line segment is BC. That's why I am saying here this is having how many points means 3 points are there. Already we know that one of the formula. What is that? How to find that number of line segments, n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, so apply that formula here. How many points are there? 3 points. So here n is equals to 3. So 3 into 3 minus 1 whole by 2. So which is equals to 3 into 3 minus 1 is 2 whole by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We will get this one as 3. But here we have to see that not only 3 points, in middle we have that one more line segment. What is that? AD is one more line segment, no? So here that is 3 plus 1 is equals to, we have here totally 4 line segments. Okay, so this figure is having 4 line segments. Next come to the second one. here this figure is having here, we know that what we will call this one, those two are diagonals. So in this figure we have the sides as well as the diagonals also, and we know that sides as well as the diagonals also line segments only know. So we have to calculate that line segments as well as we have to calculate that diagonals also. Okay, so here how many line segments are there? Here we have that 4 points A, B, C, D. Okay, so let us take that n is equals to 4. Okay, so what is the formula here? N into n minus 1 by 2. So 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2. So 2 2's 4. So here 2 into 4 minus 1 is 3. So 2 3 6. So here how many line segments are there? 6 line segments. How we are saying here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5 and this is 6. Okay, along with that diagonals also. Okay, if you add the diagonals, then only we can have to use that the formula, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, so how many line segments are there here? Those are 6. So come to the next one. Here this is having how many line segments? Just observe that figure. This figure is having how many points? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you use that the same formula, then also you will get, or else by seeing also we can say that how many line segments are there. Just observe that AB is one of the line segment, BC. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have that 4 line segments, and come to this one here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many line segments are there? 4 plus 4 is 8 line segments are there, and the leftover 2 and here 2. So totally how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in totally we have that 12 line segments. Okay, if you use that formula, then what you will get here? Then 8 into 7 by 2. Okay, but here diagonals not there, no. Diagonals not there means that if you take that these 2 points, then we can join that AF also. But here diagonals not given, no. That's why here just you have to calculate that how many line segments are there. Or else here you can write also, that is AB, next BC, CD, DA. That is related to this parallelogram. Okay, come to this one, DA after EF, FG, GH, HE. So here we have that how many line segments are there? Totally 8 line segments are there. After that, what about these two? Here AE and here DH, and here another one, that is BF, and here another one is CZ. Okay, in totally how many line segments are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in totally we have that 12 line segments are there. If the diagonals also given like this means, then we have to apply that, then we can apply that the formula n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, here diagonals not given, no. That's why here directly like this we can find out how many line segments are there. Let us see the next one. Just observe this figure here. This is having how many line segments? Actually this figure is having that sides as well as that is having diagonals also. Diagonal means what? Already we discussed now. If you join that any two non-adjacent points, okay, non-adjacent points, then you will get that one as that line segment, we will call that one as diagonal. Okay, so here AC is one of the diagonal now here. So this figure is having diagonals as well as sides. What I told you, that if that figure is having that diagonals as well as sides, then we can apply the formula, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. So here n is equals to what? How many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here n is equals to 5. So 5 into 5 minus 1 whole by 2. So which is equals to 5 into 5 minus 1 is 4 whole by 2. So 2 2's 4. So 5 2's 10. Overall, how many line segments are there here? Totally we have here 10 line segments are there. Just observe here. AB, BC, CD, DE and AE. How many line segments are there? 5 line segments. Plus, now come to the diagonals. AC, AD, 2. Plus BD, BE, 2 line segments. Plus CE, 1 line segment. So totally how many line segments are there? 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So in totally how many line segments are there? 10 line segments are there. Okay, when we can use this formula means just when you are having that diagonals as well as sides. Okay, then only we can apply this formula, or else we can't apply this formula. Okay, so next problem say that here, that is third one. Here they given one of that line segment. On that line segment they given some other points A, B, C, D. Okay, if AD is equals to 5x plus 20 centimeters. So measurements they given. So here AD is equals to this total measurement they given, that is equals to 5x plus 20. Okay, that is 5x plus 20 centimeters, the total line segment. After that AB is equals to x plus 10 centimeters. So only this measurement they given, that is x plus 10 centimeters. Clear? Next, CD is equals to 2x plus 5 centimeters. So this is 2x plus 5 centimeters. Clear? Next, then AC plus BD length only they are asking. AC means this length we have to find out, as well as BD means this length also we need to find out. Okay, let us see that problem. So here again I am drawing that is A, B, C, and this is D. Okay, already we just now we learned that, right, which measurements they given. So here total measurement is 5x plus 20 centimeters. And here next thing is AB is equals to x plus 10. And the next one is CD is equals to 2x plus 5. Okay, children. After that AC plus BD. So we need to find that AC measurement as well as BD measurement we have to find out. So just observe that total measurement they given. After this part measurement they given and the next part measurement given. In that middle part they didn't give, no. Okay, but in that 5x plus 20 this part also included. That's why here we need to add that these two measurements. After we need to subtract that resultant from the total. Okay, then only you will get that the measurement of BC. Okay, so here what are the two measurements? X plus 10 centimeters and here 2x plus 5 centimeters. So we have to add those two. So see here, x plus 2x is equals to 3x plus 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Okay, actually that is the measurement for while you are adding these two parts, we are getting that one as 3x plus 15. Actually measurement is 5x plus 20. If you subtract this resultant from the total, then only you will get that this part measurement, right? So here 5x plus 20 minus 3x plus 15. Okay, so we need to subtract those two. So when you are multiplicating this total one with negative sign, then this one become as a minus and this one also become as a minus. So 5x minus 3x is equals to 2x and here and plus 20 minus 15. What is the resultant? 2x plus 5. 20 minus 15. So that is 20 minus 15, that is equals to 5. Okay, so what is that measurement? 2x plus 5 centimeters. Is it clear? Now we have the three parts measurements also. Now come to that question, which one we have to find out? AC plus BD measurement. AC. So this part we have to calculate. So we need to add that these two expressions, that is x plus 10 and 2x plus 5. So which is equals to 3x plus 15. Is it clear? Next, BD. So this part we have to calculate. So we have to add these two parts now here. So what are those? 2x plus 5 as well as 2x plus 5. The next one also same now here. Okay, that's why here 5 plus 5 10, plus 2x is equals to 4x. So 4x plus 10. Now what they are asking, what is the sum of AC length as well as BD length? Now we have to add these two. So 3x plus 15 as well as 4x plus 10. So here 15 plus 10 is equals to 25. 3x plus 4x is equals to 7x. Okay, so here 7x plus 25. So which option is correct? Option 3 is correct. 7x plus 25 centimeters. Is it clear? So next thing, this is also same as that previous problem, third one. So just observe that given line segment. On that line segment, what points we have here? A, B, C, D and E. So 5 points are there. So here I am going to draw that one of that line segment which is having that 5 points. What are those? A, B, C, D and E. Okay. So here what is that? AE is equals to 47.6 centimeters. So just like that previous one only, they given that total measurement, that is AE is equals to 47.6 centimeters. Next CD is equals to 12.09. CD is equals to 12.09 centimeters. Clear? Next AB is equals to 8.903. 8.903 centimeters, that is AB. Next AC is equals to, AC means this total measurement they given up to here. Okay, so AC is equals to 16.57. 16.57 centimeters. Then the total length of AC, so already we know that AC is equals to 16.57 centimeters. Okay, already they given direct measurement, so completed. Next CE. CE means this total measurement we have to find out. Okay, that measurement not there, no, so we need to calculate that CE measurement. Next BE. So BE measurement also not given anywhere here. The total measurement given, but here BE measurement exactly not given. So we need to calculate that BE measurement also. Is it clear? So first thing, AE is equals to the given that 47.6 centimeters. So which one we need to find out first? CE. So in this CE part, so total part measurement we need to calculate means first we have to add these two numbers. I mean these two measurements. Why? Because the total measurement they given. If you add these two, the leftover part, which one we not required. If you add those two part measurements, if you subtract that resultant from that total measurement, then you will get that which part measurement we required, that measurement you will get. These are the given measurements, no? Now here we need to find that BC measurement. Why? Because actually what they asked here, AC, CE and BE. So CE and BE measurement also we need. For that purpose we need to calculate that this measurement and this measurement also. Okay, so how to calculate that BC measurement? Just observe that here one of the measurement given, total measurement, that is 16.57, and here AB is equals to one of the measurement given. So from this total part, if you remove this part, then only we will get this part now here, this part measurement. Okay, BC measurement, that's why here 16.57, and here we have that 3 digits, 3 decimal places. That's why we have to keep that point after 3 digits. So minus 8.903. So subtract these two here. So this is 10 minus 3 is 7, and here this is 6 minus 0 is 6, and here 15 minus 9 is, that is equals to 6 point. And here this is a 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. So what is that measurement here? 7.667. So that is the measurement of BC. So now which one we have to find out? We have to find out the measurement of DE. Now we have the measurements of AB, BC and CD. Now we need to calculate the measurement of DE. So how to find that? From the total measurement already we know that A to E total measurement, that is 47.6. From that one if you subtract A to D, then you will get that DE measurement. Okay, so A to D. So AD is equals to, so AD is equals to AB plus BC plus CD. Then only you will get that AD measurement. Okay. So AB is equals to 8.903. Next BC is equals to 7.667. Next CD is equals to 12.09. So if you add these all, then what you will get here? 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. And 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. Next 8 plus 8 is equals to, which means 8 plus 7, 7 plus 1. That is 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. 16 plus 2 is equals to 18. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So totally 28.660. So this total measurement, now we know that. If you subtract this measurement from 47.6, then you will get that DE measurement. Okay. So what is that total measurement here? 47.6. And here this is 28.660. So here keep that 2 more zeros. We need to take that difference. So here 0. And here 10 minus 6 is 4, and this is a 5, which is having that 15. Okay, 15 minus 6 is equals to 9, and here 16. 16 minus 8 is equals to 8, and here 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So 18.940. Okay, what is that measurement? 18.940. Okay, now we have that all the measurements. Now come to that question, which one we have to find out. So actually what we have to calculate? The measurement of AC plus CE plus BE. Now we have that all the measurements now. Now take that measurements and add that. So here AC is equals to, so AC is equals to AB plus BC. Okay, already they also given AC is equals to 16.57. So that is 16.57. Next one, CE is equals to CE. So CE is equals to CD plus DE. So CD measurement is 12.09 and DE measurement is 18.94. 0 no need to write. So 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. And here 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 31.03. Okay, that is the measurement of CE. So CE is equals to, what is that measurement? 31.03. Next, BE measurement. So BE measurement is equals to BC plus CD plus DE. Okay, so here BC is equals to 7.667 and CD is equals to 12.09 and here DE is equals to 18.940. So add that all. Then here 7 plus 0, that is equals to 7, and here 6 plus 4 is equals to 10, 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. Okay, next 9 plus 1 is equals to 10, 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. Next 8 plus 2 is equals to 10, 10 plus 7 is equals to 17, 17 plus 1 is equals to 18. So 38.697, that is the measurement for BE. So 38.697. So add that all. So 0 plus 0 plus 7 is equals to 7. Next 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. 12 plus 7 is equals to 19. Next 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. 11 plus 1 is equals to 12. So keep that point here. Next 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. 15 plus 1 is equals to 16. Okay. Afterwards, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. So what is that result here? 86.297. So which option is correct here? 86.297. Option 2 is correct. Children, this is just a little bit problem, but you have to keep one thing. First, you have to take that all the measurements. Some measurements only they given, no? So first we need to find that the leftover measurements. After the remaining part is very easy. Okay.